Hey, what's going on? This is Miniature Gold. This is a mix-it-up tutorial on how to make a love command where it's basically like a random command to occupy chat for a little bit, where I could go like this. I could go like exclamation point love Twitch, and it'll be like this. It'll be like the love between Miniature Gold and Twitch is 76%. And then some random message. Or I could go like this. I could also go, let me take off the cooldown on this command real quick so I could demonstrate it better. Love Reese's peanut butter cups. And it'll be like, oh, it's 54%. It output the same message. There's different ranges. So both of these fall in the same range, so I got the same message, but if it got like 50% or below 50%, there'd be different messages. But yeah, you have to just make your own ranges. But yeah, so just a simple non-competitive basic game to play and chat. So yeah, I will show you how to make this command. If you like these tutorials, please leave a like and subscribe for more mix-it-up tutorials. If you'd like to talk with me about Twitch, mix-it-up gaming, life in general, please follow me on twitch.tv/miniaturegold. And if you have any suggestions for what you'd like me to make, or any questions about this video or previous videos, please leave it in the comments. All right, so first, I am on version 1.6.500.0. Okay. We're going to go to commands. I'm going to type in love to get my love command. You will probably not have this. Now, let me show you the command. Okay, so at the very top, so first of all, the name is love, trigger is love. For the user role, it's fine as user. For the cooldown, I actually put it for 60 seconds per person, just so it doesn't get spammed too much. And yeah, for the special identifier, I'm calling it love chance. Make it globally usable. Make it a value $random number 0:100. So that'll give you a random number between 0 and 100. Okay. Next is the length of characters of whatever they enter. Okay, so this is again a special identifier. So I call it love length. I make it a math expression. Set the value to length, open parentheses, $all args, close parentheses. This will get the number of characters of whatever they entered, so that if they enter nothing, you'll be able to give a message to reply to that saying, hey, you didn't enter anything. Okay. Now, everything that follows are conditionals. I will show you like 2 or 3 conditionals, and then you'll be able to do the rest of it on your own. Okay, so no username. So we'll go to conditional, add it. Okay, if $love length equals 0, they've entered nothing for the command, it'll output this message. $user's display name has so much love to give, but they don't know who to give it to. Big sad. It's a Twitch emote. Open parentheses, psst, you need to provide the command a username. Okay. You can keep it simpler if you want. You can just make it no username provided if that's what you want to do. Okay, that is the first conditional. Next conditional. No love. Okay. So this is if they've given you a love length greater than 0, but they happen to hit a chance of exactly 0. If that happens, in here, it says $user display name, their username, that is. You'll find the right one, but it ain't, we'll make this actually all args. But it ain't all args, being whatever it is they provided the command. Not right now, anyway. Okay, so this is what happens if they get a love chance of 0, but they've typed in more than 0 characters. And you click on add clause with the operator and to make it look for multiple conditionals or multiple conditions together. Okay. And the next one is little love. Okay, so here it's another conditional. $sign love chance is greater than 0, but $sign love chance is between 1 and 30. Okay, if it is, then output this message inside this conditional. The love between $sign user display name and $sign all args is $sign love chance %. So I'll give you the number for the love chance and then percentage, that percent. When user display name wakes up, $sign all args will have slippers ready for them, but to throw at them, I mean. Okay. So this is the message they get if they get a number between 1 to 30. And then after this, it's on your own. Because all you have to do is change the ranges or set it to an exact number. And if they get that number, they will get the message specifically for that number, and whatever that message is up to you, whatever fits your flavor, as far as like how you like try to be funny or whatever. And yeah, just make sure for everyone, you're not just checking the love chance, you're also checking that the love length, $sign love length, is greater than 0. And yeah, I have this all the way up to 100. If you want to just know my ranges, I can tell you my ranges. So, $sign love range equals 0 here. Little love is between 1 and 30 here. Some love is between 31 to 49 here. 50-50 is exactly 50 here. More love is 51 to 79. Most love is 80 to 99. And then all love is exactly 100. And yeah, just fill in the chat messages. And that's it. Okay, that is my command. Hope you find it interesting. Hope your chat has fun with it. Mine did for a bit. And yeah, if you like this tutorial and you'd like to see more, please like this video and subscribe for more Mix It Up tutorials. If you'd like to talk with me about Twitch, Mix It Up gaming, life in general, please follow me on twitch.tv/miniaturegold. And please, again, if you have any suggestions or ideas or things you want to make for Mix It Up, please let me know. And if I like the idea, I can make a video on it. All right, thank you for watching. See ya.